What's that?
A blue thing, I call it. A flip flop.
That's not how you're supposed to use the flip fold. All right, show us how to use it, buddy. That's great. Thank you, partner. Can you put it in a pile, please? Okay. Can you do another one? Do another one. Hey, how old are you? Wow. Say flip fold.
Flip fold.
Okay, can you fold the blanket? You fold the blanket, please?
Wow.
I will stand it. Very nice. Thank you so much. Good.
Don't take a picture of me.
Okay. Say bye-bye.